these pages in the trees. Today, leave good for great. Leave for late. Leave good for great. Leave for late. Leave good for great. Leave for late. Leave good. So many books that I didn't read, but there's so much air I chose to breathe. How about the colors that I see? So I'll leave these pages in the trees. I don't sit alone or pick up my phone. One day we'll say all that we had. The beaten path is beaten fast. I'm practicing hooks and jabs. I traced a few lines, misread